Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set a limit order in KuCoin. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the trading interface. You'll find the spot trading section where you can select your desired trading pair. For example, you might choose BTC versus USD. This initial step is crucial for accessing the order placement options effectively and preparing for your trade. Once you are on the trading page, look for the order entry panel, typically on the right side of the screen. Here, you will see different order types available, such as market, limit, and stop limit. Choose limit to proceed with setting your specific price. This ensures you are using the correct order type for precise control over your trade execution. Now, input your desired price into the price field. This is the maximum price you are willing to pay for a buy order, or the minimum price you are willing to accept for a sell order. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. You can also use the percentage buttons, like 25% or 50%, to quickly allocate your available funds. After entering all the details, double-check your price and amount to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Buy or Sell button to place your limit order. Your order will then appear in the Open Orders section below the trading chart. You can cancel or modify your order from here if market conditions change before it is filled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.